Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Needle&YarnTwist, and in my channel is all about hair tutorial, step by step, makeup, and sometimes lifestyle. So for more video like this, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload. I started by parting my line and I put yarn in my needle. I put long enough to avoid to add more yarn middle of the line. So I hold end of the yarn and mix it with my natural hair in the beginning of the line to avoid yarn to show out. Then I start twist using back side of the needle to avoid hurting myself. And then I start rolling my natural hair and then pass the needle under my natural hair. And I make sure I leave a little space from one yarn to another. This style is pretty easy. If you are struggling to achieve flat twists, this method is easy, and if you worry you will hurt yourself, you can use plastic needles. And also you can use any kind of yarn. You can choose either you want to use single or double yarn depending on what kind of your hair is. But if your hair is fewer, I will suggest you to use single yarn. The line will come out natural than use two yarn. Actually, this is my first time to try this needle and yarn flat twist, so I was a little bit nervous. That's why I decided to use backside of the needle to avoid hurting myself. The good thing of this style is protective style. You can wear this style 5 days or even 1 week depending on your scalp and your hair type. Also, you can rock out with your lines, or you can put a wig on top depending on how you feel comfortable with. And also this style can help you stretching out your hair, so you have to make sure you roll all your hair before you pass the yarn under. If you do that, you hold all your hair and this style will last longer. If you cannot hold all of your hair because maybe it's too short, you can add gel that can help you to pull all your hair together. But for me, because my hair is not too short, it's not hard to pull all my hair together and roll it, so I'm okay to go without gel. And also you can decide either your flat twist look right side or left side depending on which hand is more comfortable for you. But for me, my flat twist, all of them look one side, because I feel like it's more easy for me to go with one side more than to change, like this side look right side and another side looks left side. So I continue to do flat twist till almost end of my hair. Then I use the same yarn I used to flat twist from the beginning to do African threaded twist to the tail. And after that I secure it and I remove the needle. So let me do it one more lines, guys, so you can see more clear. In the beginning I hold the end of the yarn with my hair and I roll it, then I began to do flat twist. But the first twist I start a little back to tie the yarn I hold with my hair. Then the second twist go front of the first twist. I hope this makes sense. Then I continue to do a normal twist to pass the needle under my hair, while at the same time I make sure the needle stick on the same line, because if the needle cross into two lines together, and the lines will not look natural. The good thing of flat twist or cornrow is you can decide how many lines you want, and because I'll keep this style for several days, I decide to make small lines. So I do total of 6 lines on my head, but this is not a formula. You can make any lines you want. If your hair is long, you can decide even to make one line, it's okay.
With me. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me.
I'm done with flat twist, and now one thing surprised me in this style is you cannot see the yarn if you use the thin yarn, otherwise if you use the big yarn. So after I finish flat twist, I add a bit amount of Mali hair, because Mali hair have a texture like our natural hair, so it's very easy to look like our natural hair. So I add a few amount and I twist it. Then I grab back of my hair and I secure it with bobby pin. So after I done with my back section, I fix my edges and I take scarf and cover my hair for like 10 minutes. And then I'm back and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video is useful. If yes, kindly don't forget to give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell. And I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye bye.